Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Windows Universe. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete application in Windows 11. To do that, you need to click on Start button first. Now, launch Settings app and then click on Apps. Now, in the right side pane, click on Installed apps. As soon as you click on Installed apps, the application installed in your PC is prompt. Now choose the application you want to uninstall. Like I want to uninstall Telegram. So click on these three dots next to Telegram desktop and then click on uninstall. Click on uninstall again here and now the application is uninstalled as you can see here. That's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.